Welcome back. It's now time for your midday sports. Yet another batting capitulation sees the Jamaica Scorpions in a spot of bother on day 2 of their 4th round regional clash against the Guyana Harpy Eagles at the Providence Stadium, as at lunch the visitors were reeling at 103 for 9 in their first innings reply to 278 made by the hosts. They trailed by 174 runs. Derval Green 31 and Nicholson Gordon 21 are the best contributors to a meager batting effort that saw 5 batsmen failing to trouble the scorers. The Scorpions were at one stage limping at 24 for 6 inside 7 overs. Leroy Lugg made 16 against pacer Neil Smith 4 for 39, Versame Pamual 3 for 16 and Ransford Beaton 2 for 22. Now resuming the day at 268 for 9, the Harpy Eagles were dismissed for 278. Leon Johnson beaten on 150 from his overnight 142, while Marquino Mindley wrapped up the innings to finish with 3 for 34, while there were 2 wickets apiece for Ajay Shields and Derval Green. Now, days after Major League Cricket's landmark player draft, a sanctioning dispute between USA Cricket and league organizers is threatening to disrupt the start of the tournament this July. The dispute has reached the ICC, who has told its members to not issue NOCs to their players until the issue is resolved. In this latest manifestation of the age-old tradition of administrative strife on U.S. soil, it has emerged that USA Cricket has not yet sanctioned either the MLC or minor league cricket, the tournaments that are seen as the next big step in the evolution of the game in the country. USA Cricket has previously given sanction to minor league cricket for both 2021 and 2022, but in a communication recently sent out to the ICC or by the ICC's operations department to members, officials have flagged the issue for overseas players wishing to play in both competitions. The Premier League clubs will be in action on the second day of the round of 16 action from the JFF Link All-Ireland Knockout competition today. Cavalier face Montego Bay United at the Captain Harris Burrell Centre of Excellence. Falklands battle Tivoli Gardens at Westbow Park, while Malines United will play Waterhouse at the Spanish Town Prison Oval, and Humber Lion take on Chapperton Maroons at the Effortville Community Centre. On Wednesday, Portmore United, Harbourview, Dunbeholden and Mount Pleasant made progress to the last 8. And the return fixtures of 4 matches in the ISA Tip Friendly Society Schoolgirl Football Competition will be contested this afternoon, with defending champions Excelsior taking a hefty 10-0 lead over Yalas back to their Mountain View base. Elsewhere, Garvey Masio returned home to face Edith Dalton James with a 12-2 lead, while Lacovia, who are 8 goals up, entertained Green Pond, and St. Elizabeth Technical will head to Frome Technical with a close 1-0 lead. All games start at 3. A second set of return fixtures will be contested on Friday. And that's it for your midday sports report. I'm Karen Madden. O'Shane, it's back to you.
Thanks, Karen. And that's the Midday News. I'm O'Shane Masters. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, have a good afternoon.